Hey everybody, welcome to Theory Thursday. My name is Alex Bourne, and this is lesson 47. We're going to talk about dotted eighth notes. Um, it's the same principle as um, dotted quarter notes like we did before. I forget which lesson that was. If you have the book, look it up in the table of contents. But the principle is the same. Remember, it's all about fractions. So that dot adds 1/2 of the value to the note that it follows, okay? So if you have a dot after an eighth note, what's half of an eighth note? A 16th note. So that dot adds a 16th note worth of time to it, okay? So it's basically, if you wanted to do it, think of it in another way with fractions, it would be like, note x times 1.5, in which case x is whatever note the dot follows. So if it follows a quarter note, it makes it a quarter and a half note. If it follows an eighth note, makes it an eighth or 3/4 of a note. So, yeah. Okay. These principles operate the same in 4/4, 3/4, and 2/4 times. Here's some more. Okay, so there's an eighth note, right? Also equivalent to 2/16. That dot as a 16th, making 3/16, right? 3/4 of a note. All right, you get it. Okay, different time signatures. Watch your time signatures, add the bar line. Basically, you just got to count beats, okay? So beams help you divide the beats. So here's 1 beat, here's 2 beats. This is half a beat, and this is the other half of a beat. So that's 3 right there. Draw the bar line right there, okay? Beams are beats. So 1 beat, 2 beat, half a beat, and another half a beat. But this is only 2/4, so we draw a line right there, okay? See how I say that? All right, so here you have 1 beat, 2 beats, 3 beats, 4 beats, right? Look at the beams up here. Don't get distracted by all the dots down here. So 4 beats in a line, right? That's how you do it. All right, this little game again, subtract the number of counts and write the answer under each line. So I think they're looking for a number here. They just want to make sure you understand dotted eighth notes or dotted quarter notes, or what the dot does. So an eighth note, dotted eighth note, minus the 16th is going to be an eighth note, because that dot is worth a 16th of a measure right there in that case. Okay, so eighth note is the answer right there. I think they're looking for a number though, so maybe do 1/8. Subtract the number of counts and write 1 note equal in value to the answer. So now it's the same thing, they're just looking for a note as the answer. So here you have a half note, right? Now don't get all distracted by this, because we see the beam up here, we know that's 1 beat altogether. So 2 beats minus 1 beat is 1 beat, right? And you write a quarter note there, because that is 1 beat, okay? So go ahead, fill out the rest. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon.